Yeah, I think the least, what do you want to call it? The least surprising thing that's going to happen to any of us tomorrow in our personal lives or at the earnings call is, I think the least surprising thing will be the vote. I think the vote is a fait accompli. I don't think there's any chance it goes the wrong way. Elon gets to vote his shares. His brother gets to vote his shares. That already you're talking about 20 something percent. And then I think we have 45% retail. So I think there's a very, 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 oh, and then you actually throw in some Ron Barron and some Kathy Wood and, this is not
BlackRock.
This is not BlackRock. This is not going the wrong direction. Multiple technical analysts coming out the last couple of days and coming to Randy's number. I should say Brian Wang and Randy saying that we are looking at 900 next year. That is Dan Ives kind of also, as far as the well-known analyst, Dan Ives has kind of led that pack, saying he thinks we're a $3 trillion company next year. Crazy? 900 good? What do you think?
I think that just depends on what happens with Robotaxi and the expansion. I think that's what it hinges on. If we can get to a point where we start seeing real revenue, meaningful revenue to the company from Robotaxi, then yeah, I could see that. But short of that, I don't think we're seeing 900 next year.
Yeah, I think we have to have meaningful numbers out there to get to 900. But I also think my other caveat is in order to get to 900 or more, and I think we'll get to more, you have to see Optimus as a product. You have to be able to look at it and go, it's a product that's ready to go. It's being manufactured. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually don't. I don't think you need Optimus at all. I think you just need Robotaxi out there, more people buying FSD, which second you buy FSD, you more than double the margin of the vehicle itself.
Right.
Having Robotaxis out there in mass, meaning in the only way you get into mass in a quick time, it's not Cybercab, it's allowing people like us to put our vehicles into the fleet, and then they take a cut off that, which is really kind of like the golden goose. Because Tesla doesn't deal with the maintenance. They don't have to, pay for the vehicle. They just take a cut. They get benefit from the charging. I mean, like, it's really kind of the golden goose for Tesla is the existing fleet. But if that can become meaningful, I think that's all you really need, because from there, the writing becomes so obvious in the wall. You'll probably see, if that happens, you'll probably see Uber cratering. You'll see Lyft cratering. You'll see Waymo, if it was public, cratering. And Tesla will just get the benefit for what's going to happen in the future at that point. And the stock market will look into the future because it'll be so apparent at that point. But between where we are right now and there, we got a long ways to go. So meaning right now we have like 10, 15 vehicles in Austin.
Right.
And that, like, so it could all happen in 3 months. Yeah. I don't mean long ways in time. Like, time is not the limiting factor here. It's their progress, but I don't know what that is. So,
yeah, we're not far off. My number is 750 without Optimus. I think to get to 900, we need some clear cut, some doesn't even have to be necessarily that it's on the order. There's an order page for it, but I mean, absolutely clear cut. It's ready to go as a product. I think then we go to 900 and maybe more.